everyone, welcome back to day 5 of MBA Before MBA series, where today we are going to talk about that one thing that will cause you the most sleepless nights in your B school. And it's not the exams, it's the group projects. MBA colleges में group projects क्यों होते हैं, कभी आपने सोचा है? It's not just to reduce the professor's grading workload. It's a simulation of the corporate life. In real world, you don't get to choose your boss or your teammates, but you have to deliver the best results with whosoever is there in the room. And if you enter the campus thinking that I will be that lone wolf, then you are in for an academic shock. So, what should you do? Before you start working with those people, you need to identify who are you going to deal with. And it's a spectrum, बहुत easy है define करना. The first type of category is the free rider. ये वो लोग हैं जो group meeting के time ही गायब हो जाते हैं. They will contribute the least and they would expect 100% credit on their part. फिर आते हैं control freaks पे. They definitely are the people who want to control everything and want to do everything by themselves because they don't trust anyone. They often end up being burned out and इसका effect आपको team पे देखने को मिलेगा. They will make their team miserable. And then there are some silent contributors also जो कि analyst का काम करते हैं. काम चुपचाप तो कर देंगे लेकिन meeting में या case comms में बोलेंगे ही नहीं. तो ऐसे में क्या करना चाहिए? Think of a scenario. If you are in a case competition, the control freak will try to dictate the slides while the free rider won't even read the case and come. So you are going to move the entire team towards business maturity, where everyone knows their rule. और आप ये करोगे कैसे? The same reason why I made this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about those 3 strategies which will help you gain that group पीस एंड सारा काम अच्छे से हो जाए, सब अपना अपना रोल अदा करे. इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप कुछ चीज़ों के लिए पहले से प्रिपेयर्ड रहे. Strategy number 1 is my personal favorite, which is called as the 5-minute ground rules. The biggest mistake which students make is starting the work immediately. But रुकिए, the moment your group is formed, you have to first set the expectation. This is called as the rule of availability. When are we meeting? If someone is a night owl and another one is an early bird, you will have constant friction. पहले से clarify कर देना is the best thing. And then comes the pinky promise on deadlines. You have to set internal deadlines at least 24 hours before the actual submission so that it saves you from that 2 a.m. wala panic before the real submission. Especially जब वो free rider has already not sent you his part of the slide. Then comes the strategy number 2, which is division of labor, where you have to play according to the strengths of the people. So don't just divide the work by chapters, divide it by the competencies. Let's say the person who is good at math, let him handle the Excel and the data. The one who is the designer by default, let him go with the best aesthetic sense he can bring to the PPT and formatting. And of course, someone needs to be there to ensure that the whole project sounds like one person wrote it and not 5 different people using different fonts. तो वो editor भी आपके group में किसी एक लोग को assign करना होगा आपको ये role. So MBA projects में consistency ही business lexicon signal करती है. Strategy 3 is handling conflict. What to do when someone is genuinely not working? Number 1, don't be the dictator. Don't complain immediately to the professor because it makes you look like you can't manage people, which is a negative leadership trait, by the way. Secondly, try to talk to them privately. पूछिए कि problem क्या है. Sometimes they are just intimidated by the quants or the consultants in the group. Now, last thing is something which is specific. I want to talk about it. That is called as the paper trail. Keep everything on the group chat. If things go south, you have proof of who was asked to do this work, right? फिर आते हैं लीडरशिप CV पॉइंट एंड CTA पे. तो मैनेजिंग अ डिफिकल्ट ग्रुप इज एक्चुअली द बेस्ट लीडरशिप स्टोरी यू कैन टेल इन अ प्लेसमेंट इंटरव्यू. When a recruiter asks, tell me about a time when you handled conflict, then you shouldn't say you did all the work. Okay? You should say how you motivated a free rider to contribute at least 15% more than what he was doing. This will actually show that you know how to build business maturity. And with this, I end up the day 5 and I hope कि ये टॉपिक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होगा लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि ग्रुप में आकर काम करना इज़ सिग्निफिकेंटली हार्डर देन व्हाट वी मस्ट हैव थॉट अबाउट. मेरे लिए तो काफ़ी टफ था. but then eventually I made these rules and I saw that it worked well. बट हाँ, मैं ज़रूर चाहूँगी कि आप लोग इस वीडियो को पहले से देख लो, पहले से नोट्स बना लो और पहले से डिस्कस कर लो, ताकि आपको आपके ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो। ऐसी बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ों के लिए व्हाट आर यू सपोज टू डू? Like this video, comment below and tell me what do you want me to talk about next, and most importantly subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, because वो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, तभी तो लोगों को पता चलेगा। वैसे उसके लिए शेयर करना भी ज़रूरी है। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद मोर एंड मोर पीपल गाइज। अपने MBA ग्रुप्स में भेज डालो ताकि प्रियाशा का भी थोड़ा नाम हो जाए। टेक केयर, बाय बाय, थैंक यू सो मच एंड सी यू टुमारो फॉर डे 6।